Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how you can remove vitamin C stains from clothing. So, why does vitamin C stain your clothes? Vitamin C can oxidize on the surface of your cloth due to sunlight and oxygen in the air. And then it will leave orange, red, brown, or rusty stains behind. How to remove vitamin C from your clothing? If the vitamin C stain is fresh, take a clean cloth and use it to blot the liquid vitamin C stain on surface of clothing. Then we will take a good stain remover that can effectively remove the stains. Apply it over the vitamin C stain and let it sit for around 10 minutes. Now it's time to wash the cloth. You can add oxygen bleach or color-safe bleach in the water if it's safe for your cloth. It will yield better results for you. It's time to dry them. You are recommended to air dry them and see if the stains are gone or not. If the stains are still present, then keep repeating the steps and air drying until the stain disappears. Thanks for watching.